Alright guys, and welcome back. It's the Human ice cream truck this time. As you can fully see, I am wearing shorts and sandals, but do not do that. It was quite hot out that day, is my excuse. And as you can see, it's quite interesting. What I have is button-head outlet screw. I did manage to drill and tap this. Please do remember to lubricate the end of your piece while tapping. You don't want it to snap off on the hole. Trust me, you do not. Well, anyways, in comes 5-blade screwdriver, and that base comes off real easy. As has plastic. As you can probably see a little bit, the glass was a bit of a different story and required a little bit more effort. And as you can see, I did manage to go back through with a toothbrush, and I put through some deep green, that's plastic cleaner. And I did put some paint stripper on the metal base. Of course, do remember to wear your gloves, your eye protection, your mask. Trust me, you don't want to inhale stuff. And I had just a wire brush there. And I did go through with some primer, some white primer, stress hybrid primer gloss. I did put on 2 coats just to make sure. And as you can see, I did put on some regular gloss white paint, and it's quite effective if you ask me. Probably a mess a little bit, working with what I have. And I put some clear coat on it, just to make sure that later on that the colors don't run. And as you can see, I did remember to put some white paint on some silver paint on the wheels. And as you can see, those finished product just rolling by.